Hi, I'm Jamie and this is the striking new 2021 Street Scrambler Sandstorm Special Edition. Celebrating an attitude of freedom and fun, this takes a latest generation Street Scrambler, updated for 2021 with a host of beautiful new features, and adds its own dedicated factory-fitted accessories, setup and beautiful custom look. It has this unique Sandstorm paint scheme with matte storm grey and Ironstone accents on both the tank and the factory-fitted high-level front mudguard. Adding to the contemporary and rugged urban scrambler style is this tail tidy, which incorporates an LED tail light and number plate light. The heavy-duty protective aluminium sump guard, the stylish headlight grille with its subtle Triumph branding, and these rubber knee pads, all of which are factory-fitted accessories that come as standard only with this Sandstorm edition. There are just 775 of these stunning special edition Street Scramblers being made worldwide, and for even more exclusivity, each will come with a personalised certificate of authenticity. The Sandstorm, of course, also benefits from the same upgrades and enhancements that have been introduced on the standard Street Scrambler for 2021. This includes a host of new premium finishes and details, such as this new aluminium number board incorporated into the side panel. Also new are these throttled body finishes, heel guards and headlight brackets, all of which feature a brushed aluminium finish. There's also a new adventure-oriented seat covering. For 2021, the Street Scrambler's engine has also been upgraded to the latest generation 900cc high-torque Bonneville engine. Now Euro 5 compliant, this liquid-cooled power plant retains all of the power, character and responsiveness of the Bonneville twin-cylinder engine, but it's cleaner, exceeding Euro 5 requirements with lower emissions and great fuel efficiency. It has incredible torque from low down right through the rev range for strong acceleration, with peak power arriving at 7,250 RPM and with peak torque at 3,250 RPM. Ride-by-wire throttle control ensures a responsive feel throughout. The high-level compact twin silencers deliver a unique British twin exhaust note that perfectly matches the distinctive Scrambler character, while the cleverly engineered intricate exhaust routing hides the cat box, rendering it nearly invisible. The brushed stainless steel headers follow a tight radius for a neat overall profile. With a commanding riding position, the Sandstorm chassis setup with its wide aluminium bars, forward set foot pegs and big 19-inch front wheel inspires confidence. It gives great visibility in traffic, is comfortable for longer and more exhilarating rides on the open road, and easily tackles light off-road surfaces. The cartridge front forks are finished with gaiters on the front, and the preload adjustable twin shock rear suspension features grey springs and black bodies and shrouds. The low seat height adds to the confident feel and is complemented by a narrow standover width. Excellent stopping power with great bite and feel is provided by the high specification Brembo 4 piston front brake caliper. The Sandstorm edition also has a torque assist clutch for light and easy operation, a particular benefit in heavy traffic or on longer journeys. ABS and switchable traction control are fitted as standard to optimise torque delivery when traction is compromised. And there are 3 riding modes, which is class leading with rain, road and off-road. Rain and road adjust the throttle map and traction control settings for optimum performance in wet and dry conditions, while off-road turns ABS and traction control off to give the rider complete control over the rear wheel when on loose surfaces. For European riders, the Street Scrambler is one of the most perfect A2 licence options available, and this Sandstorm edition is no different, with an A2 compliance kit available for your dealer to fit, which can be taken off as soon as you've passed your test. Other classic signature Scrambler features include the wide bars, high grip bear trap foot pegs and wire spoke wheels. These have black hubs and rims and come equipped with dual-purpose Metzeler Torrance tyres for great grip, durability and precise handling in all road conditions. You also have the classic-looking clock setup, which comes with an analogue speedometer and a digital menu system, which is easily accessed via a handlebar mounted scroll button. There is also an underseat USB charger, allowing you to charge your phone whilst out on a ride. So there you have it, the exclusive new 2021 Street Scrambler Sandstorm Special Edition. A truly unique and striking version of Triumph's much-loved, fun and authentic urban scrambler.